Hey, this is Jennifer, and in today's video, we're gonna do something totally new that I hope you're really gonna love. It's gonna be a 6-minute routine, and I'm gonna break it up into 3 parts. The first 2 minutes, I'm gonna show you what movements we're gonna be doing in this combo. The second 2 minutes, I'm gonna show you exactly what that combination is. And in the last 2 minutes, we're just gonna practice it and get into the fun and flow of belly dancing. I hope you enjoy it. And if this is your first video, hi, my name is Jennifer, and this Feminine Fire channel is all about helping you to be a woman on fire in your life. Belly dance is one of the ways to do that because belly dance will help you to ignite and connect to your feminine energy. But I'll also be talking about health and wellness and fitness and also just lifestyle tips to help you be the happiest and healthiest you. If you're looking for a system, a way for me to guide you step by step in your belly dance journey, then go ahead and click the link in the description for my Feminine Fire Starter Pack. It's 14 days of videos and it will help you to really improve your belly dance skills. You can do that for only $1 with a 14-day trial membership to Feminine Fire. I hope to see you inside the community, and let's go ahead and get started with our routine. Okay, let's start by talking about the movements that are gonna be in this combination. So there's gonna be 3, well actually let's say technically 4 movements. We're gonna do a hip twist, a hip circle, a reverse undulation, and a shoulder shimmy. Okay, so let's talk about this hip twist. You wanna have almost all of your weight on your standing leg, nice soft bend in the knee, tuck the tailbone under, really lift the chest, shoulders down and back, and you're just gonna twist the hip forward and back, just like this. So you wanna focus on squeezing in the obliques. So let's just do a few on this side, and let's switch sides, nice good bend, and twist, just like this. This is a hip twist. Now let's do a hip circle. So a hip circle, we're just rotating our hips in all directions, keeping our shoulders stable, and just rotating here. And let's switch sides. This is a big hip circle. And let's do a reverse undulation. So a reverse undulation, and we're gonna just kind of angle it from side to side at a 45. We're gonna tuck under, roll up, and shoulder shimmy. So we'll step, we sit, tuck the pelvis, roll up, chest up last, and shoulder shimmy. Let's do that again. Sit, tuck, roll up, shimmy, 2, 3, 4. Sit, tuck, roll up, shimmy, 2, 3, 4. Sit, tuck, roll up, shimmy. Good. Sit, tuck, roll up, shimmy. So we have our twist and our circle and our twist and our circle. Okay. Okay, let's talk about our combination with this. So we're gonna do 4 hip twists and 1, 2, 3, 4 circle, 5, 6, 7, 8, and tap on that last one and twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, circle, 2, 3, 4. Now we're gonna do our tuck roll up, sit, tuck, roll up, 5, 6, 7, 8, sit, tuck, roll up, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm gonna face the same direction as you. We're gonna start with our hip twist. Let's start on the right. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, circle, 5, 6, 7, 8, and twist, 2, 3, 4, circle, 5, 6, 7, 8, sit, tuck, roll up, sit, tuck, roll up. Okay, let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, circle, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, circle, 5, 6, 7, 8, sit, tuck, and shimmy, sit, tuck, and shimmy. So everything is gonna have 4 counts. So we'll do 4 counts of twist, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. We always tap, kind of bring us neutral. 1, 2, 3, 4, and shimmy, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I'm gonna put on some music and let's just get into the fun and flow, practice our little routine. All right, let's start our routine in 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Twist and circle. Tuck, roll up. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and twist. Circle, twist, circle. Good. Tuck, roll up, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Tuck, roll up, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tuck, roll up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and slow. Good. Twist. And 1, 2, 3. Circle. 2, 3, 4. Good. Tuck, roll up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to show you one more time to the front. 5, 6 on the right. 2, 3, 4. Circle. Tuck, roll up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so what you can do now is just keep practicing. Put on some music that you enjoy. Doesn't have to be Arabic or Middle Eastern music. It could be rap, it could be rock, and just practice our routine. 4 counts, hip twist, circles, hip twist, circles, tuck, roll up, shimmy, tuck, roll up, shimmy. You got it.